Ne, like,
o ka re disappointed o ra sang wa shoota dinotsi.
okay.
Color pusa, color pusa, re batla go tsena go pala. Khane la go bangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na botisa. Color pusa, re batla go tsena go pala. Khane la go bangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na botisa.
Hello, hi guys, it's Bundengese here. We are back again. Skamto podcast go botsa ka re ke tlo tlisetsa bona one by one. O hopola Skamto podcast o tlisetsa ke Sly J Next Multimedia where quality meets creativity. Machomi, how are you?
Very.
O grand?
Monadona.
Otsi a ke tsore mo lifeng ya ka since ko itse ko bone ha ka o sa apara di brele.
True. Is the MBA room ambience.
Evan. Or again, the future is too bright.
Too much. Why wona lo?
Yeah.
Wa no phelo dia be.
No. Ne molong tsa
Yeah.
Machomi, introduce yourself to our viewers ba bolella hore re na le mang today.
Number plate.
E otle.
Like say, step to viewers and listeners. Emmanuel, ne. Ibitso la gala nne Emmanuel Peterson from Soshanguve.
O le khalade?
Esho itse man. Wa twate story nyana se stelle.
Mara le ka ba story se stelle hona le bo khalade mo hare.
Yeah, I stay. But
O fela pelo le. O fela pelo le.
As ka nna banungola.
O flash khalade wena o full.
Yeah, no, I very like sala for jore more than half.
Okay, mara wa sitse ntweng ela ba re kings. A o itse polelo go wena?
Next.
Jo ba ka so ba o fa le
Baragasu.
ba o fa le bitso la go Bibeleng. O ba le khalade modimo mo ho fetsa fela o itse language ela.
Jogare re hotse Soshanguve, o itse Soshanguve.
Yeah.
Primary school, high school, tertiary, mabopanswa. Baragasu, ke berekile le maborunya.
All right, Machomi. Before we talk about Ndengese we tunang none.
Sure.
Let's go back. Osahola, Emmanuel Sahola, no batlo ba eng ho hola.
Crazy hola. Manya we di lawyer, we doctor.
O ba
Yeah.
batswadi.
No,
Yeah.
no, engineer, like anything engineer, electrical or mechanical. And so, mara ki level as kolonsa electrical engineering.
Yeah.
Civil engineer. Mara no feleze. No feleze mo moyi.
Wa bona the minute to ba le ba le horore ne le nthola mara ding na ya mbora man.
Well, you know the brass pedi and so.
Yeah.
So I get it easy. You look up to them. By a technical school, or salamura, and so. Oh, we are drawing. Manual Samale. I would say so. You know, I know valuable now.
Yeah.
Maravella go pele vela. Ya bono rasentoa. Vela ya kai fetsa N6 ya kai fika. Then I got apprenticeship. Vela ka spa na qualifier spray painting, aircraft spray painting.
O ntse di tlhalosa ne please. Ke itse le robolela ka eng.
Okay, aircraft spray painting ke last level ya di spray painter gore how we really spray painting sela you can work anywhere.
Okay, I remember. Spray painting ke eng?
Spray painting.
Cause na lo mongwe bizarre spray painting. Mara ha itse le tswana le nna gore ke eng spray painting.
Spray painting. Go penta ka spray gun, one spray gun.
O ba le ba o drama botana batho ba le ba
So ke spray can, na le spray gun.
wa bona tse di swakenya go ra tlhalosa. So spray can, spray gun. So dilo tse itutse di sa tshwaneng.
Can yela ina leng.
Ela ya le ya ali ka mohara. Yeah.
Ela wa mixer, then wa tshela ka mola, wa seta gun ela compressor.
Yeah.
Yeah, then o penta koloi. Ontswa.
No, ke bone hona le ba bang no ntho bolang ka yona if a di tshwane o tlang correct ane ba if ba fakile pave ba khona hore ba yetse mo paving le botana ba ke yona.
Yeah. Ke pressure gun nyana so.
Yeah, and then
ira ke moya ola o pusha pente. Yeah. But basically o spray ka gun.
Okay.
Not ka pen ka brush or So ke tsela tsa gore o bona koloi bjang ga o e pentile smooth so a ona gore ka e penta ka brush sentse no e penta ka dite ka spray
Okay.
can
Yeah.
then
So no spray dikoloi?
koloi ya se aircraft ko SAA
No spray di? So ora no re bolela sometso mo na le plane e nngwe e leng gore e ntshitse flag ya South Africa or ke blue or ke white o spray.
the spray
O no tla khole mos.
I'm first start a gare ke wa tekere on tswara
Yeah.
vela next na choice or ke fits
Yeah.
was nearly apprenticeship everything was paid off accommodation stipend 3 years vela qualifier
Stipend. No, we understand or stipend as salary bila one. So ke ne le stipend 1 point something yana 500 somewhere there. Anke se ya go dimunyana stipend. Se ba ka motlasenyana.
ke exposure by relay company okay it's fine
Ba tlohele ya.
nearly 1 point something phase 1 then second year 2 point something and phase 3 2 point something but under 3,000
Ne ba senya go fitla ko 3,000. Ko re bona re a ore ka mo fa 3,000 re mo sentse.
ke salary ana dikoloto
Mo sa le ngwana.
understand so I ba tsela tsore just we were lucky because na rena go accommodation ya ya Spani free transport free food free everything that's why so ara fetsa da mare ka fetsa bare employer for like a contract for like 1 year 6 months contract I fela
wa fela le yona
ya tsentse ka mmereko mongwe but ntho ke irang ne setse ke rekile equipment at least ke khonno studio bona lighting you know ra man maybe go pele ke tla ba le nako ya hore tswa luckily or ke unluckily contract I fela ka man why ke sa pushi ke one full time
focus on my own
focus push no I've been maybe 7 years in the game
emana before re dumbela mo 7 years
yeah
then when I was spana pila she falo pentana le di aeroplane mola o dlala ka pente mola o kopana ka le lotsa tsa bo di cameras
bueno ke passion braga
from where
from high school go komotso comprehensive
so wena no le o la tsamanga kile camera mo dade mo molaleng o shoota bana go sekolong ka di breaks
I believe ntlongwe le ngwe nna le camera o pola tsela tsa
tsa film
a ke tsore ne di tlhaga mare no ke ra ona le camera so ke nna mola ba ntshwarisa yona go jarteng
nako ba nya go robe lawyer mara ba fa camera ba
like no magala iwan tla box camera no ai re no dlala on tswara tla le me time avela tla no karmane re ke ga yona go sgela a wani nya because ke ira grade 9 kara mane re no one day fitla mola gore ke tsela tsa ga ne le feeling dlala no tsa isa le di pictures of the isha o bitlo once no dlala le ba fethu avela later afa me time lo di
tlhatswisa
tsone so sharp vela ma di tswile di salte le no
so it is not ditso so mara wena wa feel gore mara dideng e o ka re e monate man
like le batho bara mara wena o tlile ka camera wa sa paterisi batho no o bona re tla la we midlo tseding ga o di bone wena ntse man camera go jarteng asin ka paterisa nyana ba bedinyana ba thunyana ka rama ka tswara vela grade 9 kore from grade 9 to matric la guy no ba ga di phone no
nona le phone o tlhalefa yo tsa di picture vele ka nako
e tsona tse di Nokia nyana tse practice nyana mara we so ngare passion e wile ka yona era ela ya training days tsa ka penta di aircraft so painting it's on le gore e fun direct and I got about ruta ba no ruta like painting like you can paint bicycle ba kana tlisa bicycle
o ka nna rastanyana so
Yeah, gore a o dlala ka spray gun. So a ke rona le ko SAA yona le ba ba irang di seat,
Okay.
ba ba irang composite ke fiberglass. So
Okay.
yeah, a ke re craft na le mo ina le fiberglass or be light. So maybe ko workshop ya bona ba khona ira module wa aircraft. Then ba tlisa gore na ro paint ene o ka ira color e nyaka ngwe mix gore ho fane ka da dlala ka color ntso. So vela a ke tsebe ya mare photography le yona ya ka phone ba wana di smartphone ya mo ka kera smartphone
Yeah.
a ka re na ke hola stipend
Hey,
contract
sawuzama.
a ka re kanyana Huawei nyana engwenyana so a na itsa di photo tse sha
Hey, wezamile yong. Le sponsor le biditse, le sponsor. Yeah.
a ga ditse di photo vela batho ba ra jo maro wena jo o phelo tsa di photo tse bila maro le di photo ga tse di photo rai man ke ra dlala ra spana re shapa rena tawa le lutsi
Yeah.
o mongwe a re marcho reka sete yotlhe like reka direct o na le za na di savings jo o patela dikolo reka direct a vela ka reka studio se sotlhe
E sa le shume ya motho o boditseng dilo tseo.
yo
Okay.
o nombotsa man reka man a le zaka
Yeah.
a vela ka reka mabone backdrop di stene camera one mara ka di bia go jarteng ka re na ke utlwa monate
Yeah, wa penta.
ya mare maybe weekend one nyana ke ya tsa camera ya no tlhatlha antshwara mare after vela contract fela Spanish fela kana no chukina le dautes di na le I gather dust why not
Yeah, tla be dia
Ke
senya
bone,
di sa
yeah.
bereka.
go grudging on at least because backdrop ya ka ne ke measurile ka size ya garage it's like 5 meter 4 meter
Yeah.
yeah garage hore normal single garage
Yeah, ga ibo.
so yeah with ya
Wa hore e ko tlase kwala ebe e.
yeah I bona ka mkholo
Yeah.
yeah ke irile ka garage
Okay.
custom me ba o irela mkhwenya ka so ka no ra man re ke no e bia ka da e no nna ka da e phelele hore anyone a tla I bone so I sing hore ke pake hape ke re so I can push ka practice for like a year ke fa batho di free photo shoot
Ne ke le kae?
ai
No sa ithuta nako eo.
ya o pola
So bona ne ba se aware hore wena o ithuta ka bona.
na ba sa
Ba nna re ba tsa di picture ka nnete kante wena o ithuta ka bona.
thuta ka bona the
Yeah,
whole year
silege yo.
ne re na le boot camp ke after maybe covid nyana so
Yeah.
so batho ba tla ke gym le bona re se tlang gym we tlha like anyone you know practice
Yeah.
practice settings I got a camera na settings vela after next year thing 2021 ra re man ke no dilo di sharp re ke no ira za ke bona re tla ira la di di atla anyalo ke exercise se
Yeah.
ra tla bona go pele so a pusha ba since le now
So everything e leng hore wa etsa no via taba tsa di camera
yeah
a gona motho a o rutileng ba no botsa fela hore etsa so wena o ithutile lo editor and all these things o ithutile or maybe o gcine ore no re ko shapa bo di short courses nyana for dideng.
ke thutile o tsa nete ke thutile no it's jono wa curious normal CapCut ya phone kore the way we editanga phone we edita go PC like plus minus sound syncing lip syncing what so the settings YouTube day YouTube all mo we ira so answer mare ka meet this guy mo wa re ke John I mentor ya guy yena libane re thomile kana ka one mare yena like naskere za ka spana so yena continue ka yona re sa itsa until re kopana I think last year
Yeah.
or 2 years ago kana yena vela na ntsa shoota go di phabong wa bona
Okay.
yena skill na se tsa acquiring a ra kopana vela nna ke na le studio camera ka so sa wa re ke tla o tlosa mo leng a bona a wana mo eleng ke diamond shout out to John rise up. Yeah. Well,
Eitaraso John.
yeah.
Now tell me, one thing that I know about you photographers, ke nyaka re instile mo tlhaloganyong tsa batho nto hore a le bo cameraman le di photographers. Because what cameraman? Ba so bitsa cameraman le no akere.
It's like a chest.
Wait, trap. We
just trap because
so it's ngwa di malo ro mo corrector a ke cameraman.
Go
photographer.
So.
Yeah.
You know, sister photographer.
So what sister ke ba sadi hantsi ba lo ba bitsa.
Yeah.
Cameraman.
Yeah, I see. Well. And sometimes they were very embarrassing. Yeah. I'm correct. I'm like say photographer, not cameraman. So you're not awkward.
Yeah.
Mara, get neat. Get neat.
Le fitile but ba ile ngore ke di cameraman ke ba feng ke ba le ba tsamang ka bicycle ba tsa di pictures tse le ngore di tswa same time.
Ba le ba shoota ka auto. Oh,
so ke di cameraman ba.
Sorry, camera shoota ka auto ai.
Ke cameraman.
Yeah, cameraman. Only settings no auto. Yeah,
yeah. So a kitse ne I know re hona le ba bang ba ile ngore ba tla ba nyaka di picture ne I know ba honest le nna
sure
so sha ne fela gore di brand ka se bona motho mara ka mo ka engele ke ntseng ka yona litlo la ho ke tla le bona gore wa nsha
yeah
ba tla ba nyaka bo di picture re na le flop ya bo sister bo sister ba na lo vumbuka a fetsa fela a fihle mo la re nyake di nudes le di bitsang lona di photographer le bitsang ba re a fitla ro nyaka di nudes
yeah ke tsona di nudes
okay you know
yeah.
So o shootile tse ka wena di nudes
honestly like so shoot it
ina le ho ba disappointed
no like
o disappointed ora zanga wa shoot di nudes
okay no we just celebrate la
yeah
this lady vela get like today so ke sa di party tsa di
oh this lady okay
yeah mwana go ha bo vela are o nyaka shoot e nude vela nromela le pi man
that so mwana go o nyaka tsona di pictures tsa di nudes
yeah
a romela di picture o rometse di picture tse fe na o bontsha o nyaka tseba ke tsa di nudes tsa o rometse tsona na o bontsha o nyaka tseba
yeah
mara ke tsa di nudes
yeah mara honestly obviously
wa sa tlhalosa fela da nudes a o no ka di tlhalosa o rometse di nudes so na nyaka o bontsha o nyaka
yeah
and then
tsentse re shoot
no dumetse
yeah ke spa no
so kopelo botsa di nudes ho di patedisa o patedisa tšheletenyana go dimonyana ore ke same amount we patedisang for the normal pictures
yeah ke normal price ke package yeah maybe an hour shoot an hour package shoot on tour.
Okay, you have friends by long Horbachuna Spanish and they've done it before. I'm 100% sure.
Yeah.
Helen Selebolela, but experience le feeling ya shoot the news ibia.
No, you know what? It somehow mare we see it end up as senya omuwani. It's like the yona e nyakang bana ina ne dilo tsa yona. Ke phela le yena.
Dilo tsa yona tse fe?
O nyaka o ire dilo le yena.
No, wait. Ke nyaka re tlhalose pila. O ire dilo le yena meaning ba jole ore ba ndengesana.
Ba ndengesana. I got already
umbone.
Yeah. Na ba mbotsa ore ya pega no. Then da ba no ish hoba somehow nya because le two mostly I got maybe le two or no.
And let's le garage.
Le two. So ish.
So mara hona mo inonna
something ya no man. Ka basic say.
Bafethu if wa jola or una le mosadi a tsamaya a yo etsa tsona di nudes tse wena o sa itse ha bowa if ban judge it's fine o mo pakise bag ya va because Joe I understand gore ke spane ne but we are human we are human a shu umo o tlhobotse di ndengese ene ka nako eo ke type ya hao o mmona mo pela hao kwena mo tsa ngore tlosa loto le o liseka mo tlosa le o liseka mo like pepenene and in terms frustrating too much go hore they don't even post those pictures so basadi tsiela eng is either motho teng khala o nyaka
so yeah like e na le dilo tse baya
so wena o na no ngwana la na o nyaka
no ra zanga ira
yo a zanga o ira a ke re mara nna nyaka di picture tsela
yeah
nna nyaka o mo tseye tsona
yeah
ana hona kwentse wa jump or na o nyaka
and ausa again no mara if nanya yena nanya nna gonna flop
okay outside no outside
ausa ke re vela ke tlhage shoota di birthday ding a ke tse o itsitse bya mama tsare tsa vela o itsitse or nanya ga right vela
so why outside na office
okay maybe
outside maybe lena na o nyaka
maybe
okay now mchomi azanga wa yetsa ne
yeah
if o kra chance ro yetse no and be honest o ka yetsa
go yetsa no ke 7 years nyane in the game ntshwara ke khono bona ro o
ejo sex ina 7 years so in the game
age ha ke ra kamkhore na
Shelling.
ke sa bone
shelling motho tsa ka shelling ina 7 years in the game
mo bluff ko idumela mara nga se di
o dumela eng
o ira shoot kampa
yeah
hape o na le banyana ba bang khonor ke nya go tla shoot tla patela ka daite
oh wait repeat that or what's lang
bo are ke nya go tla photo shoot
o nya go tloetsa photo shoot a rena zaka a reng a fetsa
ke tla patela ka daite
ke ngwanyana atla ene ke ena bolelang bjao
bo ke industry
ana rona re nna mo ra le bolella hore I mean on sa CV ya hao on the qualifications wa qualifier for Spanish se itseng but wena self ho fika da o bona hore no man e re ke ndenge so Spanish ke skre fast on zo qualifier for sona o bona hore o no re tshwara mara wa qualifier for Spanish seo wa understand hore bjang that is why re felletsa re ba le banyana ba ilong hore o ka re mo company o hopole re bjanong Johannes wa ndenge sa fetso ndenge sa he ana le chomitsa hae ba ilong hore spana le bona ke ntho le hore ha mola ho simple o kra 7 mo company o sentse no ba ndenge seditse bo botle serithi se kae hona mo wa itlhalwanya so wena wa producer ke ba kae ba reng no a re shoot and then re tla o fa tabashi
I get sure marvela
ka banchi
2 3 4 ke ne
this no yeah no I ke ha this is between me and you no one is listening and then ona motho wa bona ke nna lwena o ka dropa le bizo le one mara if ke mma batho ko ba ntshi yena ke ena le hona tlo itseng hore ke
no I'm joking yeah mostly ke banyana vale ba refera ke motho maybe na tle le chomi ai a se o ke meeting on tsoro no maybe ke la mathoma mbona then ka style nyana mara dore e business re
so re dumbela mo di challenges tse leng gore kopana le tsona since o thomile tsa Spanish ne e re fetsang go ibolela ke engwe ya di challenges tse leng gore o kopana le tsona fine re tlotla mo tabeng ya mojolo wa ke bola ka mojolo tse so ke di challenges tse feng hape tse leng gore since o thomile o kopana le tsona and how do you deal with those challenges
the challenges gore o bona nna ke believer ke photograph ke professional and so
yeah
so diamonds vale ba tropa ke ba fiele ba bola industry and so
o ba le ba ema mo strateng wa ipitela o ja phayo o kra o itse ro phayo le ice cream ba no re fa ha fetsa fela o bontshe yona
ke bokae ke o erikisa bokae
5 rand
ontswa nna ha o tla monna ke re chumfe 1000 for the photos 3 hours do me
yeah
so get challenges go re bola ya taide ya bola
ana kana no ba le tsela le basadi bona batho ba okay wait o tsia pitch
yeah
o botso re ikra no we romela kang
di cameras no di na le wifi
oh ba romela ka WhatsApp
yeah
re lukisona mo a re go romela no ba romela ka WhatsApp ne
yeah
so ha romela ka WhatsApp so hora re o kra di number tsa motho wa hao motho wa le no ba le number tsa hae and then
mara yeah mara Spanish ya sira sorry o tla wa pa mo phone
a ke motho wa ha feta mola o tlo mika sure wa stela batho mo plana no a sa le ntshwela hore na ipitela tla shopping so ba mmotsore wa motsore ya ke ya ema etsa o ka re wa tla so a itso ka re wa tla ba meta tsaka o ka ra se bil ayo thoma ha ba ke ba no already ba build that relationship motho ha o le wona no bona fela motho wa ntsa di post na go lwena o photographer
wa tsara go utsore o ena o shootanga auto antsosi nyanga manual
Mara ba kha wata dieting industry
ba bolaya because
yeah
nna ka mokgwa ke gainile experience ya ka ke na le ngontshwara ke kgonang dilo tsaka
yeah
ha go charger o tlwaetse dilo tse so e ba challenge e bolaya blind and wa itse mo ka sibya
yeah
so ya e bolaya yona the biggest challenge tse dintse ya.
So before re tsena mo tabeng tsa dieting tsa o tshwana le yona ntho re etsang no tsa di-podcast
Yeah.
Joy boma is it 2 weeks back I think so I get sure
Yeah.
le lore he ntho e episode e tswa e tla be lore
Sure.
ke khana but yeah na re tlisitse kwa wena kwa
Sure.
re tlo photo shoot and then ke bona re no sa bereke o le wana so I get wa hira no o khonno hira or because I got one business in nine hola
Yeah.
ho bona motho a sentse na bereka le batho ba bangwe tsora business bya no it's for direction e right wa bona o khona wa foda o hira batho so or ke bana ke ngwana ko heno or wa hira or like wetsala
Ke partner ya gore chu o wana vision ntshwara.
okay
Partner
wait ha ba se na lutimetsa
ke motho wa ka.
oh ke motho wa hao monna
Yeah.
oh so ke motho wa spanang le wena
Yeah, gore ha le teng o assista.
Okay.
Assista gore wa itse ke mo rutile o shoota kono mo ruta a posise batho wa itse we go neng gare wena photo ya tsa pile gore wa itse
so mo rutile everything
yeah tse dintse di rutile ntsa mbona
so now he ka fihla taba yona ela ya di notes ela obviously ba botse yana ba botsa wena
yeah
and hati anore ha bua fela checka kra o di edita mola o sa mmotsa hore hona le motho a tlileng anya gore re shoot di ndengese do you think o tlo ba happy or le tlo qabana
if o lebeletse no wa itse ke spane
o so understand no ke spa
I level episode 2 yeah
oh so
ya bona re kitse
okay so yena wa understand no ke spa
ke spane
go sona le di picture tse ding o di tsere tsona go re shoot before na bile ke fitla o di tsere joy a beren thongwe e ready
yeah
ke bona ke ke go mmusoro joy and then no etsahalanya
shout out to Joy Joy khala support Joy
a ke hane ke re joy na bere ane deng tse khibidu e nngwe e gana a ke tse ke gana na ore ke mara some mo joy you know and then
nalteng o bone o riletse
o msadi na le teng
ya o bone o wa bona espane no
o
ya o bone a ona ke re in future ha tlo bona wa o bone o rirala asenna ke espane
so pila wena o no re kana bola re o tsere ampur di news not the notes
yeah ampur
cause ke bone some of the pictures tse di tsere mo joy ke rawo wa bathong emanyana mo mara ka re mosadi na le teng then
yeah liblane eo e betere ona le se re ka ira maternity shoot
ba tlhobotse
yeah the lady na bere so a ba nude fela naso oh espane tla di bona ra gona di poster na flop di poster o di socially ke spane
no nna go lebeletse fela ka re tlhalosa hantši so
mara am ko lebeletse
no ke zama understand na le pregnant ngwana and then a tlhobola a sala ka ponang and then
yeah like and somebody must be like na like
so ha tlhobola o lebella kwa
ke lebeletse ke tshware camera ke metse
modimo ntuse gore le nka latlhe husband se ke sa se etsa ai nga sloke now me fast forward to the podcast o tlhakana ka ile di podcast jigi shifa go byanong o betha le di podcast what's ala
eno what's nnete izina ngare 2 years ago next level it podcast at all
yeah
le ere tshepileng ela
ela
bon
no sa level
no level mo ke TikTok or Facebook
yeah those clips fair
yeah so what happened is so smagent na re blow ma
yeah
maybe on weekends and we rabolela like choice magent topic marnal mo topic kono
escalate yes
ya I need wa recordiwa ntshwara
yeah
o mongwe a ra man no tla le camera re bone gore tla ira
okay yeah
so ai ka no e beya mola a o era la sela shiba batho ba didimetse ba bona camera ntshwara
yeah
the next weekend that I did the very same thing but next weekend that I set up ra e beya mola ra ga tsheko ra yetsa type day re bona re tla ntsha topic e Nesvarra, Rakodaga phone, Yana, Ratsa phone, ra bone. Benzarola, Nera, there are no editor one or clear lang, YouTube channel against again alone.
Yeah.
But Nagir for like photography, for the behind the scenes. Come on, no YouTube channel, Velarai, Chancharai, Busa. So the aim is for a Tama podcast. You know what that record as magent.
That is why it's a brass conversation.
Yeah, on Twitter. And that's called Vela, like Naruto Tlakan, Vela Mustidio Munamul. Renula Grachi, drinks, a plumber.
Leha, Blusky Leva.
Oh, wait.
Tunsamu, she galevona.
Bona. On Twitter.
Yeah.
So, no snarl one yarn. On Twitter.
Oh,
I get it to feed.
Okay, sharp. Yeah.
I upload. So Ranor, I don't know vita like Rana Robo 10, they were Tower 1. I don't know, invite the Samara, invite this lady where you sana. Can I first guest there? Now, no, well, I did look at Kela. Why? I'm record the Vela, Gemol editing and again.
We too.
Okay. Upload the man. I'm not our lady viewers, you know. So until Vela invite okay, Belinda. I wanna get to one must data saying or one guy. But before sela atla ona le business ya so atla vela camera method photo advertisement that branded and lo tsana abali namaza so I wanna ke le snippets a ntwile are ke nya botla ke be guest pero no flop vela azokala
before you na Belinda the MC
yeah Belinda
yeah
azokala vela really yeah na really three ka
yeah
Ramira episode ya 1 hour 30 minutes edit so ba tsela tsa re nontse ya batho fela gore na the aim ne le hore the aim ya podcaster ne le hore nya go tsosa di business se tsa mogala
yes
already di teng man ne le hore di tsa lo re mang o thomile byang
yes
re ntse re ira yona the thing re ntse re ya di saloning para tswa ka ba di tech shop yeah, like, yeah. Zama yona daite. Maria leader too. So this mutual friend they are Belinda. Arjo, it's a the baby. Oh, motse.
Yeah.
Motse mo daite.
Oh, so repeat manzo hai. Oh, non ti mettenya. E jotsia the baby, yeah.
No, kala ke ntse ke meet Belinda. Kala ke meet from high school. From high school vela mara rasponan right. Until vela atla photo shoot.
Yeah.
Sharpo vela agare chono zogala re bone le are nantsa le interested mo dilo tsa di YouTube tse tsa re a sa itse ra thone bya vela ra thomara the rest was history lega J
and just the last week or this past weekend you were celebrating your 100th episode
sure
so ke eng e long hore e le pushitse hore le khona hore le pusho re fitle ko episode ya bo 100 obviously ho bile le challenges tse ba ya marking e leng hore you motive because we thomile e lore asintho no we plan or no man ke nya go etsa podcast swana lo ba photographer
sure
you know mara re fitle ko 100 e bile le celebrate eng e pushitseng e ditseng ora bona mo ke tshwarelletse mo a ke boele morao
re thomile last year 2025
ke no
2024 ka February I'm not sure name
yeah
ke mo vela re thomileng so ho itse batho ntsara ho itse batho because before photograph before na re hosta di market
yeah
ntsara ke ntse ke batho ba gore connection era hore ke itse mang o itse mang ye lo na ka o itse ka mang so ya ba tsela tsa hore ho ba easy hore e tla podcasting ya ke thoma podcast zogala re get the viewers gore how no ba easy because ngare ngase take credit but ka itse batho ba bantši ba itlile because of nna because ba itse nna gore ke itse mang o itse mang and in all easy was Belinda na nna ka mo ntlong and ba bangwe bana ba sa itsane so nkare go itse batho networking e la ke irileng before plus le photography gape ka kgono ya di-gigging ke itse mang so ga ba easy gore re kgone recorda and le batho ke podcast re nyako tla man ke itse mang o mo so ga ba easy gore re kgone go and le editing skill ya so in a week maybe re kgone nametsa 2 to 3 episodes until maybe re bona gore mo benong no re nyaka di-viewers and re nametsa
batho ba to subscribe
like ke mo vela re thoma thutang YouTube analysis or e bereka so the peaks le dips whatever nkare the whole of last year re pushit
and then o sabolela ka ntho ya di-numbers ne guys mo WhatsApp a ke tsona le batho ba kae ne mo WhatsApp o ka re lore ke na le batho ba more than 1000 he ke poster status se khono bona ke batho ba close to bo ma 400 to 600 and ke post ke re please subscribe to my YouTube channel status seo se le one se bone ke more than 400 ya batho he ke channel ka mo YouTube ka mola ke kreile 4 e subscribe le so what are you trying to say to us? Are you saying lona ba botle ba le viewing status gore tshwantse re le ntshe mo WhatsApp re no le delete because a le support because sometimes supporting someone asentwela gore maybe the episode editing maybe I tsamaisana le ona you don't have to re o le the episode you know ono dumbela mola fela wa persa riding subscribe and then that's it done o feditse why understand gore bjang so re khopela because ntho re bola yang especially rona bo daki a re supportane you know a re supportane and I think ke ntho eleng hore ya re khawata rona ka dinako tse baya you know maybe bona ntho la hore ai why tshwantse nna ke etse mara ha o fetsa wena o bowe on romele poster hore o khopela ko support it doesn't make sense and then if I don't support you in nore mara bos snacks yes le ba tlhella go TV bas le thomo cancel lo tse di sa tsene I understand so it's a very simple thing ra khopela subscribe to our YouTube channel it's simple ha o tlhoka le o nne mola e ka se jele data e ntši ke mala o tsena fela mola wa re ha wa no fetsa fela wa tswa la pele ka business ya if le o nyako lebella episode e or the episode tseo then you know or kana ka o leng gore o frika yona then that's when o ka lebella di episode mara dumbela o subscribe Scamto podcast subscribe kana wena ke
Bros Conversation BRUZ Conversation podcast
ba subscribe
like and share bona ube dacho
alright and ke eng hape e leng gore o busy ka yona ra itswalla no ke eng hape e leng gore o busy ka yona le gore na re itse ka yona e leng gore you'd like our viewers to know about it
no like registerile production company
okay
re wish gore like se re le nyana di project nyana di kane tsela tsa go mojala vinyana tse ya di bona
tsa go mojala ke tse feng bana because
di reality nyana tse la man se re shootile nyana di pilot nyana tse 2 tse 3 so vela re wish gore re number di se go gore di base antsa so like production company re sharpo re nyako sing remove away from podcast but elevate
so basically you growing
like a production company le batho ba approach re nyako ra podcast gore ba tsena under production ya re so slowly getting there it's equipment
now Mechomi there's someone watching this episode young person motho moholo e leng hore o feel hore o na le passion ya dileng e o itshuna you know o sa sokodisa ke equipment maybe o sa tshware camera ke tsa khalenyana ana support e leng hore wena at least o khonore o be le yona because ba bang ba palla go tswelisa dilo tse ba nyaka go di tswelisang pele because of batswadi motswadi wa mo discourage ra into ina chelete into ka suisi ope but yena ona le passion right what motivation can you give to that particular person
no yako like approach motho re say nna ke ra nthoso ene like o wantse motho re jo enyanga this thing on sorry
yeah
yes agena engeng like I believe gore tšhomo tlo fa opportunity a o bona gore wa nya tla o tshwenye mang joke nya go bona gore o irang camera bere ka bjang wa ntshwara fa nna ka believe gore the opportunity ke ba teng batla tla ke tlo fa camera spane nga so fe di-gig tsa o patela obvious but just maybe partynyana nngwenyana tse re di hostang wa ntshwara no fa camera wa betha ntshwara like I have those people no tla there was a tournament there
ke bone
ke feel this boy mo camera ya ka vela
hora sharp
like ne le tsela tsa gore no nna ke nna style ke lebelela bo Belinda lo mama
CEO man
mo live
hamba CEO that is why we pizza manzi the CEO
what did you learn this week
Answer.
Okay, thamola then ga selecta nna ka di editor ka di selecta ka di edit so I'm fanola vela o spanne ya ka motsorisanyana something.
I'm happy we're also doing the same. Do you know mo thale mo sound nga tsheno kona a tla ka tsheno ara mo senyetsa nako ra mo dumbetsa same time
tsentse be bya bona mele a itse o irela
ke ka mokhoelong gore go tlhaela taba ela ya o supportana ya o hudisana as black people I understand because o tlo hae ko kai ba renya ka experience if lo rona re mo fe experience o ikira ko mang that experience yet wa qualify for ndenge se eo wa itlhalwang no machemu keep on pushing and I'm happy hore ke bona ndenge se ya hao ya hola and it's going far ke utlwa ibile hore ona le motho shemesh maro ka raskhala ke khala o ntsona le ena ore na kopana lo ka re no le sengeng le kopana lo ena ne don't laugh nantsale
from lockdown like after lockdown
mokrile after lockdown or during lockdown
during marna o setse ba
bana ka re ne ba re khelletse go ntlong mokrile kae
a re thomile boot camp so at least
kwa le robalang kwa ko
ne re bethela mo strateng o nna re tlhakana je le fun
o nna ka se hao
Jama Strat BB so ne le zela zora ra tlhakana vela after Jimmy this thing leads to another number mara group 5 years later
re ke di tlwela taba tsa mjolo metshomo tla mpitsa ka tloba MC ka lenyalo a bona ka mkhomo metshomo nyaka ho tla ba tloetsa di nudes the picture tsa di events wa ka ka mo social media
Leo Cap photography Instagram le Facebook zona ze le TikTok Leo Cap akitla ibona Leo Cap
sala tso me butla ibona okay ash
Leo Cap photography ne
all right
Instagram Facebook and TikTok number ya ke ba fa number ya
ho nyaka ba
business mo 073
business
4828381 073 4828381 Emmanuel ne
okay one last thing manzi tlhaga wa ba o bitsa manzi
e tlhago islena ke itse re tlhaga mara ke itse re primary school it's many years ago a ke itse lore
is either no rata metsi or no tshaba metsi
ana ga rata
okay
ke phela yona metsi ka digupu
what then but decide to bitsa manzi
na itse re wa ke itse a ke itse mara shifawe rana le yona.
No Machumi, thank you so much for coming. Ke sa emetse hore o mpitse da so I know rompiditse ke na re mo podcasting ya mo di episode tuntso tsotlhe ke ya ka the longest
it's we pila
tsantse ke bopila
but no lighting re tshwerenyana ona wela e shop wela ka ditoro
ke hopola shem
so I know at least
Machumi
thank you
keep on pushing. Thank you so much for coming and obviously this is not the last time wa itse raspanisana re sa tlo pusha bo botle le nna ke nya ko tla daso ke tlo shapa di notes tsaka and then
wa dumela
thank you and go shoota go ena kere no mare no le bereka le two So wena if like I get maybe let's say literally two and then hona le Cynthia o mongwe ya go shoot wena o shoota Cynthia and then nna Mandeng is one shoot
o tla shoota ke
okay hora nna tsa ka ba ke lo di shoot no problem it's fine ke tla ya go honga shoot go teng cause ka itse le Sly a ka se shoot but I na flow but thank you so much for watching Scamto podcast. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel Scamto podcast no subscribe fela hona le belenyane ngwe mo le site wa bona in case o le balo no click mo yena wa tet he release episode e tlo go hopotsa yona tlo tla re ketling ya go bontsha hore no man hona le episode empya e tswileng and then le ha o la bofelo
Brass Conversation ne ya BRUZ Space Conversation podcast YouTube Instagram all socials tlo re kry da mare ya go YouTube ya kopela YouTube
yeah
o bethe subscribe o no ibona eno pop up mo YouTube ya how expose yeah.
Thank you so much for watching Scamto podcast brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia where quality meets creativity. I'm Sibundengese. I'll next time. Dango.